I'm going to show you today how to make a fabulous split pea soup. So now you're going to take your celery. I've taken 3 ribs of celery. You take it off the celery stalk, you wash it. Make sure you get it washed down here. A lot of dirt can accumulate there. I'm going to cut the ends off. Even if they've already cut the ends, that's all dried out and you need to recut it. Then you're going to cut it in half. And again, you're going to cut little sticks, all about the same size. They don't have to be completely exact, but it helps with the cooking time. If you have big chunks of celery in there and little chunks, by the time the big chunks cook, the little chunks are going to be nothing but mush, or even sort of melt and disappear. So you want to do that with all 3 stalks. Okay. Watch your fingers. Make sure your knives are sharp. They'll go through the food much easier, but they can also cut your fingers much easier. So just be careful and aware when you're using a knife. So cut the ends down, go through it. And again, you can put your fingers like this so they won't get cut, or you can do the whole hand method where it rubs up against your knuckle. Okay, if those chunks are too big, again, you can take your knife in and cut them down even more. There's some pieces that don't look so good. If you've had any brown spots, cut those out before you cut your celery.